Sukhoi Su-57. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a twin-engine stealth multirole fighter aircraft developed by Sukhoi. It is the product of the PAK FA program, which was initiated in 1999 as a more modern and affordable alternative to the MFI. Sukhoi's internal designation for the aircraft is T-50. Top speed, 1,324 miles per hour. Length, 66. Range, 3,418 miles. Wingspan, 46.0. Unit cost, $50 million US. Engine type, turbofan. Manufacturer, United Aircraft Corporation. Role multirole fighter. National origin Russia. Design group Sukhoi. Built by Komsomolsk-on-Amur Aircraft Plant. First flight 29 January 2010, 12 years ago. Introduction December 25, 2020. Status and service. Primary user Russian Aerospace Forces. Produced 2009, present. Number built 17. Variant Sukhoi HAL FGFA. Specifications. Crew, 1. Length, 20.1 m. Wingspan, 14.1 m. Height, 4.6 m. Wing area, 78.8 square meters. Empty weight, 18,000 kilograms. Gross weight, 25,000 kilograms. Normal takeoff weight, 29,270 kilograms at full load. Max takeoff weight, 35,000 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 10,300 kilograms. Power plant, 2 Saturn AL-41F1 afterburning turbofan, 88.3 knots thrust each dry, 142.2 knots with afterburner, 147.1 knots in emergency power. Performance. Maximum speed, Mach 2 at altitude. Mach 1.3 supercruise at altitude. Range, 3,500 kilometers subsonic, 4,500 kilometers from 2 outboard fuel tanks. Supersonic range, 1,500 kilometers. Service ceiling, 20,000 m. G limits, plus 9.0. Wing loading, 371 kilograms M2 normal takeoff weight. Thrust weight, 1.16 at normal takeoff weight. Armament. Guns, 130mm Gryazev Shipyunov GSH-30-1 autocannon. Hardpoints, 12 hardpoints. Air-to-air missiles. R-77M. R-74M2. Izdalai 810. Air-to-surface missiles. 4 KH-38M, KH-59MK2. Anti-ship missiles. 2 KH-35U, KH-31Et. Anti-radiation missiles. 4 KH-58 USHK. KAB-250 guided bomb. KAB-500 guided bomb. Anti-tank drill 500 kilograms cluster bomb plus active homing. Avionics. Negative 121 shillings multifunctional integrated radio electronic system. Bielka radar. N036-1-01, frontal X-band active electronically scanned array radar. N036B1-01, cheek X-band AESA radars for increased angular coverage. N036L1-01, slat L-band arrays for IFF. L402 Himalayas electronic countermeasure suite. 101KS Atoll electro-optical targeting system. 101KSO laser directional infrared countermeasures. 101KSV infrared search and track. 101KSU ultraviolet missile approach warning system. 101KSN targeting pod. 101KSP thermal imager for low altitude flying and night landing. How many Su-57 have Russia? Russia also has 12 prototype Su-57s, some of which have even been deployed operationally to places like Syria. 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. On October 19, 2022, Russian Army General Sukhoi Su-57, commander of all Russian armed forces in Ukraine, stated the Su-57 has been used both in air-to-air and air-to-ground role during the war in Ukraine and that it has scored kills in both roles. Is the Su-57 still in service? So, how many operational Su-57s does Russia actually have? The short answer is between 3 and 15, depending on how we count. 3 are serially made examples that have been delivered to the Russian Air Force. 2 further aircraft were manufactured but, as of late August 2022, may not have been delivered yet. Is the Su-57 superior to the F-22? The Su-57 3D thrust vectoring control capability is deemed to be better than that of the F-22 Raptor. The high maneuverability and supersonic cruise capability give the aircraft a high advantage to win close-range dogfight scenarios. What is Russia's main fighter jet? Russian fighter jet. Russia already has fourth-generation fighter jets, the heavy-class Sukhoi Su-27 and light-class Mikoyan MiG-29. It has one heavy-class fifth-generation fighter jet, the Su-57, but no light-class equivalent, Panteliev said. Why Russia doesn't use Su-57? The usual suspects in the Russian defense community of experts believe the Su-57 has better weapons and radar than the latest American fighters, plus an electronic warfare system that is top-notch. One downside that has stunted the Su-57's growth is that Russian engineers have their hands full with finicky engines. Does Russia have fifth-gen fighters? The Sukhoi Su-57 is a Russian fifth-generation multirole fighter capable of annihilating any airborne, land-based, or naval target. According to its designers, the Su-57 fighter jet extensively uses composite materials and stealth technology. What is Russia's most powerful aircraft? 1. Sukhoi Su-57. Sukhoi Su-57 is a stealth, multirole fighter jet developed by Sukhoi. It is the first combat aircraft in Russian military service designed with stealth technology. Which is better, F-35 or Su-57? F-35 production technology is decades ahead of the Su-57. The FOG can mill materials as large as 15 meters long and was described by the former Technical Operations Deputy for F-35 Global Production, Dr. Don Kennard, as the most accurate machine tool in the world for its size. Has Su-57 been used in Ukraine? Russia confirms using Su-57 fighters in Ukraine war as they destroy targets, punch holes in Western myths. The Russian MOD finally broke its silence on using Su-57 fighters in the ongoing special military operations.